This is the big book of animal food habits. So I wrote the big book title here and main themes of the this book: herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, and I also draw some pictures here according to their title. So next page in I I write the statement and some pictures examples: herbivorous and like so carnivorous and omnivorous here. And here is an activity. So I draw some animals faces and here I draw plant. So herbivorous, it indicates herbivorous, meat indicates carnivorous, plants plus meat indicates omnivorous. So this is cow, it eats only plants. So it's means ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಗ್ರೇನ್ಸನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇದು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮೀಟನ್ನು. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಮ್ನಿವರಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲಯನ್ ಫೇಸ್. ಲಯನ್ ಈಟ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಮೀಟ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ pig eats grains and meat, so it's omnivorous. So like this, it's an interesting activity is here. And here in the next page, here is an activity: sort the animals into herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous. Here I wrote some animals name in these chits. Here we are, I also paste here the name of animals are here. Cat. So cat is the omnivorous. Next, bear is also omnivorous. So next we have to take another chit. So lion eat only meat, it's carnivorous. Next, eagle also eat only meat, so it's carnivorous. And rabbit eat only plants, so it's herbivorous. Cheetah eat carnivorous, so carnivorous, it eats meat only. And goat eat only plant, so it's herbivorous. And dog eat plant products and also meat, so it's both plant and meat, it's omnivorous. Next, humans also eat plant and meat, so it's humans also omnivorous. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಗರ್ ಈಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಮೀಟ್, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾರ್ನಿವರಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ wolf also carnivorous. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಶಾರ್ಕ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಸೀನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಫಿಶ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಮೀಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎ ಕಾರ್ನಿವರಸ್. And cow is a herbivorous. Deer also eat plants, it's herbivorous. And giraffe also eat only plants, it's a herbivorous. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಫನ್ನಾಗಿ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್: ಹರ್ಬಿವರಸ್ ಈಟ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸ್, ಕಾರ್ನಿವರಸ್ ಈಟ್ ಅದರ್ ಎನಿಮಲ್ಸ್, ಆಮ್ನಿವರಸ್ ಈಟ್ ಬೋತ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ animals. So this is the big book of animal food habits.